We'll guide you through how to make camera flash transition in DaVinci Resolve. If you find us helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To create a camera flash transition in DaVinci Resolve, start by opening the application and creating a new project so you have a fresh workspace for editing. Next, go to the edit page where you can begin working on your video timeline. Import 2 video clips into the media pool so they are ready to use in your project. After that, drag both clips onto the timeline in sequence to form a continuous flow. Make sure the clips are neatly aligned and properly connected so the transition will look clean. Then, trim a few frames between the clips to prepare space for placing the transition. Once that is done, go to the Effects menu to access additional tools. Add an adjustment clip and drag it onto the timeline above your footage. Position the adjustment clip directly above the first clip where the transition will begin. Trim the adjustment clip so its duration matches the transition timing you want to create. After that, return to the Effects menu again to add more effects. Find the DSLR effect and apply it by dragging it onto the adjustment clip. This will help enhance the flash look. To create the actual flash effect, you need to add a video transition. Open the Video Transitions menu and browse through the available options. Select the Brightness Flash Transition as it is suitable for this style. Place this transition onto the second clip where the cut occurs. Next, open the Inspector panel to fine-tune the effect. Adjust the brightness and saturation settings until the flash looks strong, but still visually pleasing. After making these adjustments, go back to the Edit page to review your work. Play the timeline to preview the transition and check if it feels smooth and natural. If it looks too harsh or too fast, make small adjustments until it blends well with both clips. You can also experiment with slightly extending the adjustment clip or tweaking the transition duration to achieve a more dynamic effect. Don't forget pay attention to timing and rhythm, so the flash matches the motion between clips and feels consistent with the overall style of your video before final to begin export process.